So this is my 1972 Chevy Suburban. I've done a ton of work to it. It's a ratty old girl, but lately I haven't really done nothing I'm in love with. I've been putting the transfer case in it and getting the drive shafts right. I just lowered the motor and had a mess where I had to fix the clutch linkage because it was sticking. I got all that done today, and before I hooked the shifters up on it, I just kind of wanted to get excited about getting it done. So I got this silly idea in my head. I've been messing around with all these bones. I got this idea to try and use bones. I always decorate everything with all these bones, and now I got this idea. I want to try and make them more functional parts, and they're kind of brittle and they kind of suck, so they're not really for linkages or anything like that. But I was thinking for exhaust, so I made this piece here out of an old horse leg, and it's going to be my exhaust tips. I'm going to put them right up on the fender here. And now I'm just thrilled about this idea I got going on. So now I might get a bit carried away with it. Oh, that's awful. Oh, that's awful. There's still maggots in it. Ah. Ah. Yeah. Well, I got this bright idea Then I'm gonna take these horse leg bones that I've got and turn them into my exhaust pipes for my Suburban. I've never seen that before. It would be pretty sweet. I think that's gonna look pretty neat, but unfortunately these bones really haven't sat around that long. I don't know when this horse expired, but the maggots say there's still, the maggots are still doing a little feeding in there, and it really smells not too good, but I'm still excited. Well, the exhaust fumes should kill these critters, if they don't kill me first. And I think that's going to be a pretty sweet exhaust pipe. I mean, I've never seen anything quite like it. And if all else fails, it'll make a good weapon. Self-defense, of course. Oh, the best weapon might be the smell of this